क्लोज कर
You see, Mr. Mario, where we from your last time your office here, we are staying here. So this scaffolding also he using for the shed, for rest shed. He's sitting here. This all scaffolding he using from our side. So what we can do now for this scaffolding? All is using still up to now. Mr. Mario, this back side. Keep watching. These people actually working for the sheet, fixing sheet with the structure. This back door, I think maybe you understand which area this one. You see, Mr. Mario, the inside scaffolding pipe, I think maybe you can recognize this one, downside, and last step, and here also, and here also. This whole scaffolding he using here, I don't know for what, how can he's using. This from when we go from here, that time he take this material, same time. Up to now I asked Mr. Salah, he say yes, we are using the material, your scaffolding. Up to now we are using. Other side, Mr. Mario. Your main office side. This area before in the mess hall, using for mess hall. Mr. Mario, using this stair to going to upside.